everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. It's pretty rainy here in BC today. What else is new? Fresh snow on the mountains, so we'll see what happens. I hope everybody's staying safe, and today I have an unbagging. Came in a bag like this. eBay. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, got my blade. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. Alright. And on my last video regarding Andre's tag, I didn't tag anybody because I don't really know anybody to tag, unfortunately. So if you'd like to do it, please do it. I tag you to do it. And then just tag me in the video so I can watch. Alright, thanks for watching. The narcissistic. Are you narcissistic? No, I am not. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so we got one for me, one for Ted. Alright, here's yours. And they came fairly quick. It was about, what, 10 days?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it wasn't too bad. And I'll leave all the details below if you're interested in getting one. They're like kind of a nice material. They got Velcro. Huh. Alright, that's cool. They got a zipper. This is like a teal color, which is very nice. Alright. Oh, I see. Okay. So there's some Velcro here. And then these are where the straps are. So you just Velcro it in. Away you go. Take your laptop with you. Take a few items with you. And you don't have to worry about the rain or getting anything messed up. So yeah, so that's going to work out really good actually. And
perfect, see?
oh, okay. Yeah, so we have a couple of Mac Airs. They're 13.3. And let's see what the Mac Air looks like real quick. Okay, yeah, that's good. Alright, so he's got his Mac Air in there. So, and he has it in the rose gold. So this is Ted's laptop. And that fits in there just perfectly. So, just stick it in there. Zip it up. And away you go. Yeah. And it's not really super heavy, which is nice. Because we wanted a couple of these to take with us when we go on our vacation to Sheraton Lake. So we're going to be doing that in May, so make sure you look out for that vlog. I'm going to be vlogging a little bit there. I'm not the best at it, but it's kind of fun. And maybe there'll be a few people trying to photobomb me again like they did last year. So they need to get a life. So there you go. Alright, and today I am still rocking my Dooney and Burke Haunted Mansion. Alright, this is a real small bag, but it does hold a lot. And it has a pocket on the back. This is from 2020. Haunted Mansion, Disney, Dooney and Burke. Alright, so that's my unbagging for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And make sure you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos, and that's quite a bit. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for your comments, requests, and for everything else that you do to support me. I sure do appreciate it. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.